Boo!
How come you have your goggles on?
I want to do an experiment.
We're doing an experiment. What experiment are we doing today?
Slime.
For your Ninja Turtles?
Yes. So we're going to need warm water, some ball wax, some cold water, some glue, and some food coloring. Okay, so now it's add. First we're going to need ball wax with water. Jug. Get a spoon. No. Okay, so now let's put the slide for now. So now let's do the cold water.
Yes, be careful.
We're going to do it there.
Yes.
There. You pour the glue in the water. Now we're going to put the food coloring. Are we going to put the food?
We are going to put the food coloring.
There. Now let's put them together.
Oh no! You're green! Show me your face too. Uh-oh. That's alright. That's part of the experiment.
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Now you want to mix that up?
Yes.
Is that hard to mix?
Oh.
Oh.
Then I put my hand.
Is it yucky? Ninja Turtles are waiting for the slime.
They're going to wrap it up.
Won't be long now, Ninja Turtles.
I'm going to drain the water. Here's a Ninja Turtle slime.
Oh wow! It is a slime. Whoa!
Look, we can stretch.
Cool.
And look, it can also whip. Look. Still whip. With the Ninja Turtle with the slime.
Okay.
Also the fist. I cannot.
You can just do it any other way.
I'll do like this. The fist is out. With the fist.
Ninja Turtles gone.
With the fist. But the fist is out. He can still walk. I'm just covering the body. Not his soul. You can't see him, can you? Can you see
You
him?
can see his head.
Look.
What's that now? What are you doing now?
This is Michelangelo in the slime. Look how he looks.
He does look like a turtle now.
He looks like this big one right here.
Yeah. See, the slime looks like his shell. Oh,
It does the same.
Show me.
Look at the back.
Oh, yeah.
Look. Hi guys, thanks for watching it. See you guys next time, and please subscribe and like my video. Bye.
Bye, Nadine.
Bye.
Bye, Ninja Turtles.
Bye.
That's the slime Nadine made. Oh no! What happened? What did you do?
Fighting time. Fighting time, Mama.
Fighting time. Okay.
It's going to be Leonardo. Boom, 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 boom.